In this video, we will try not to mix depuis and depuis. So, let's start and defining one important thing. Depuis can be a preposition and it can also be an adverb. And that's the difficulty in French. Sometimes you have words like depuis here, and they can have different functions. And of course, by having these different functions, we will use them in quite different ways. So let's have a look at depuis first as a preposition. So when you use depuis as a preposition, well, let's have a look at the example. It will be like that. Tu vas bien depuis la dernière fois que nous nous sommes vus. Tu vas bien depuis la dernière fois que nous nous sommes vus? So as a preposition, depuis is introducing something. It could be a noun, it could be a pronoun, and it could be, like in that case, a sentence. Depuis la dernière fois que nous nous sommes vus. But clearly it will introduce something as a preposition, so it will be connected to something that comes after. Tu vas bien depuis la dernière fois que nous nous sommes vus? So let's look now how it will behave as an adverb. So depuis as an adverb. La dernière fois que nous étions ensemble, c'était pour l'anniversaire d'Isabelle. Je ne l'ai pas vue depuis. So as an adverb, the important thing is that it won't introduce anything because that's not the function of the adverb. The adverb is connected to a verb. And in that case, the verb is voir. It's in the passé composé form. J'ai vu. So this is the main difference between the two. The preposition will introduce something. It could be a noun, a pronoun, it could be a sentence. In that situation, the adverb stays like that, doesn't introduce anything, is only connected to a verb.